And let's play K or Nothing dito sa All-Star K, the 1 million peso video game challenge. Music.
Always remember it was late afternoon. It lasted forever.
Hihilingan granted.
You were all by yourself, staring up at a dark gray sky. I was changed in places no one will find. All your feelings so deep inside.
Alright! Red! Eto ha, nakuha mo na ang kahilingan mo na medical supplies para doon sa asawa ni Red Bull Silva. At nasa iyo na, ibibigay na sa namin sa iyo ang laman ng kabanang cash na 250,000 pesos. Eto na yung nag-accelerate. Reg, pag tama ang 6 plus 10, 7 plus 20, 30, 40, 50. Ang tanong, tuloy o tigil? I'm giving you 30 seconds to decide. And your timer starts now. Isipin mo, matama ka lang doon sa pang-ani, magiging 260 yan, magiging 280, magiging 310, 340, or 400,000 pesos.
Go.
Meron ka bang time to decide?
Go na. Baka magbago pa isip.
Okay? Sige lang, baka magbago pa ang isip mo.
Go.
Go na! Okay! Go to the gym, mga kaibigan! Pag nagkamali ng isa rito, ha? Babawiin lahat. Go to the gym show. Music.
Then I realized that forever was in your eyes. The moment I
260.
saw you cry.
280.
The moment that I saw you cry. It was late in September.
310.
And I've seen you before. You were always the cold one,
350.
but I was never that sure. You were all by yourself, staring up at the dark.
Regine! Isang appeal mo na dyan dahil na perfect mo ang 10 blanks de Jean. Ibig sabihin yan, yung 250 mo, nadagdagan pa ng 150,000 pesos. Now, you have 400,000 na. Ang tanong, go ba tayo doon sa 1 million jackpot line? Or atras na? Isang mali lang doon. Isang mali lang sa grammar, sa tenses, sa singular, plural.
But you know, I actually know this song, except that I'm so nervous.
So, bigyan kita uli ng 30 seconds
so
to decide.
nervous.
And your timer starts now!
I can't even stand up, you guys. My knees are like...
Tandaan mo, pag dumidiretso ka, tumama ka ron, 1 million pesos. Pero pag nagkamali ka, mawawala lahat pati na ipon mong 400,000 pesos. Reds, umiikot at tumatakbo ang timer mo, mag-isip-isip ka.
Okay, go.
Tulad ng sinabi mo, alam mo yung kanta.
Go. Para kay... Ano ba to?
Okay! Time is up!
Rizalinda. Para kay
Time is
Rizalina. Ayan.
Tatanungin kita uli. Tuloy o tigil?
Tuloy.
Tuloy! Tuloy si Songbird. Nakakaloka ito. For 1 million pesos, ladies and gentlemen, here's the Songbird again. Music!
I was changed in places no one would find. All your feelings so deep inside. Was there that I realized that forever was in your eyes. The moment I saw you cry, I wanted to hold you. I wanted to make it go away. I wanted to know.
Nag-iisa ka, Songbird! Nag-iisa ka! Tanggalin mo na yan! Tanggalin mo na to! Nag-iisa ka! Babae ka! Halika rito! Ano? Nag-iisa ka! Nakakaloka si Regine Velasquez! 1 million pesos! Ay, nako! Rizalina! Andiyan ka pa! Nanalo ka ng kalahating milyong piso! Congratulations! At ikaw na asawa ni Red Bull, makakamit mo ang medical assistance na kay hilingan ni Regine. Ay, Diyos ko kang babae ka. Nakatumilyon ka na rito. Ano ka ba? Nakakaloka! Ay! Ano masasabi mo?
Wala.
Bago ka tuluyang umiyak, magsalita ka muna.
I'm so nervous. I am never doing this again.
Nakakaloka tong si Regine. Oo. Rizalina! Parang umiiyak ka dyan. Ano masasabi mo?
Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat sa Kay. Tita Regine, salamat po. Malaking bahagi ka sa buhay namin.